Assalamualaikum, my name is Nuri Iziani binti Muhammad Izian, metric number A210813. This is my project 2 application called Job Quest, which supports SDG 1 No Poverty. The problem this app solves is the high unemployment rate and the difficulty job seekers, especially those from low-income backgrounds, face in finding decent work opportunities. My app helps reduce poverty by connecting job seekers directly with employers, providing location-based job recommendation, and enabling direct communication with companies. First, the login screen. Then, the home screen showing job opportunities. Third, the profile screen for user details. Fourth, the search screen. Fifth, the all job screen. Sixth, the apply job screen showing save application. And seventh, the message screen for communication with employers. For hardware sensor integration, I'm using GPS location sensor. This helps users in low-income area find jobs near them, reducing transportation costs and making employment more accessible. The app requests location permission, and once granted, it displays job near you within a 50-kilometer radius, showing the distance from each job. For data from the internet, I'm using the API to fetch live job listing from JobStreet. In my code, I have an API client with a retrofit interface that makes a GET request to the API endpoint. The data is then parsed using JSON Converter Factory and displayed in the app. This ensures users always see the latest job opportunities, which is crucial for getting people back to work and out of poverty. For local persistent, I'm using Room database to store user application offline. When a user applies for a job, the data is saved locally in the apply job table. The job DAO interface handles the database operations, and the job repository manages the data flow. As you can see, the job now shows apply status, and when I go to the apply job screen, the application is stored and accessible even without internet connection. For cloud integration, I'm using Firebase Firestore. In the Community tab, users can share job opportunities and chat with others. When I send a message, it's stored in Firestore and appears in real time for everyone. This helps spread job opportunities to the wider community, directly supporting SDG 1 by democratizing access to employment information. Here is my API fetching code. In API client, I use retrofit with a GET request to the API endpoint. The path annotation inject the run ID and query pass the API token. The response is a list of JobStreet job object, which I map to job listing object using an extension function to job listing. For the GPS sensor, I'm using Google's Fuse location provider client in location helper. The get current location function is a suspend function that fetches the user's latitude and longitude using high accuracy priority. In conclusion, Job Quest helps combat poverty by providing free, accessible job search tools, location-based recommendation, and community job sharing. Thank you for watching this demo of Project 2.